Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Revision Part 2. Following on from the previous video, we will present some more revision exercises to consolidate past learnings. So as before, I will leave each slide on for about 15 seconds. You can pause the video at any time to give students a chance to do the questions and give them whatever prompts they need. I'll move on to the next slide now. So here we have examples 4 and 5, and the students are invited to do these as a revision. Give them whatever prompts they need. Pause the video at any time to give them an opportunity to read the questions, with your help of course, and to do the answers. Here's the next slide coming up. Example 6. I'll leave that on for a short while before I move on to the next one. And here is the next slide coming up. Examples 7 and 8. Help the students to read the questions and give them whatever guidance they need. Don't forget to pause the video at any stage. And here's the last slide coming up. So that's example 9. Excuse me. So this video has given you an opportunity to help the students revise some topics we've seen in the past, and you have the opportunity to pause the video at any stage. You're in full control here.